Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be teaching chapter number 6 of decimal. Please open the book. Decimal. Decimal means 1/10, one part of 10 equal part. We write decimal as 0.1 in decimal. That means 1 upon 10 in fraction. If we know what does points we'll cover in this chapter is how to convert decimal into fraction, vice versa, and the process of multiplication a decimal by a whole number as well as a decimal. To learn the process of dividing a decimal by a whole number as well as by the decimal. For example, Ramesh has a chocolate and it divides it into 10 equal parts. How much one person will get? It will get 1/10. 1/10 can be written as 0.1 because 10 equal parts has only one portion of that will get by others. 100 is equal to 1 upon 100th, that is equal to 0.001. 1 and 4/10 is equal to 1.4, that is 1 upon 4 by 10. 1 and 2500 is equal to 1.25, that is equal to 125 by 100. This means 1 is the whole number and 0.25 is the decimal point, that is 0.25 upon 100. Placeholders. The whole numbers will always be in front of the decimal, that is 3, 4 and 7. After the decimal there is a place, that is tenth and hundredth and thousand. If you see the place value chart, hundreds will have 100, 10 will have 10, ones will have 1, and tenth will have 1 upon tenth, and hundredth will have 1 upon thousand. 100, sorry. What part of a sheet is colored? Can you tell me? White is 1 upon 10. Pink is 2 upon 10. Blue is 3 upon 10. And green is 4 upon 10, which you can write it as 0.1. What part of a sheet is colored? Red is equal to 15 by 100, green is equal to 25 by 100, white is equal to 9 by 100, blue is equal to 23 by 100, and yellow is equal to 28 by 100. Fill in the blanks. In 7.9, 9 is the place value. Tell me 23.466 6 is the place value 100th. Please do this activity as follows. Write in decimal 6 meter 46 centimeter is equal to 6.46 centimeters. Rupees is equal to, which we always know that rupees and paisa, rupees will come in front and paisa will come after the point. Centimeter will come in before the decimal and millimeter will come after the decimal. Adding of decimal number, keep the decimal point in a line. Line up whole numbers carefully and fill up the spaces with 0. The numbers where are not given, after the point there is 0, we can put that 0 and we can solve this. Like 12.66 we can write as 12.60. 4 is the whole number, after the point we can add 0 and in 0.24 we have placed, and in 100 after the whole number it is point, so 0.00. Now adding the decimal, line up the decimal points 0.32, 12.965 and 1.1. The places which are left we have put 0 automatically, and in another example you can see where the places are not given we have put 0. Now let's come to subtracting decimal. If you see before the line we have put that decimal over there. Let's come to the multiplication with decimal. Point is always move right in the multiplication. When it comes to 100, we move forward. For example, 87.6, when multiplied by 100, we get as 87.60. So point will shift 2 digits because there was 20 and we get as 8760.0. Okay, so please remember in the multiplication the decimal moves right hand side. The rules of the division are: example, move the decimal point in the divisor, the number outside the box to the right to make it a whole number. Like when we come to 16, it is 1.6 divided by 5.76. One way is we can remove the decimals. by placing it up and above, or we can shift the decimal because already the question has one more decimal, divisor has one more decimal, so we'll shift the decimal towards left and it will go right. It will become 57.6. Division of decimals: divide both the number as a whole number and then after the division put the signs over there. In decimal we always move left when it comes to a 0, so we'll always move left. Product is smaller than the multiplicand. Thank you. I hope you understood the chapter.